Hello everyone, I'm Silly Simon, and this year I'm going to be at Southampton Pantomime. You've got to come, you're going to so enjoy it. There's Ashley Banjo, diversity, and a ton of talented people, and it starts very soon, so grab your tickets now. But in the meantime, I'm going to put a message out there to everyone for your help. You see, we're doing the Toy Appeal, which means we would love you to come along and donate your favourite real brand new toys to children who are underprivileged, who are looked after by the council. There are drop-off points all over Southampton, and you can go to the website to find out where they are by going to www.southampton.gov.uk. Get in now and give us your press presents, and if your children don't like them, I'll take them. Oh, I've got a caterpillar on my shoulder. Ah!